ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ̀sùn mọ́ bí ìròyìn kan ni mo mọ̀ fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ o ó tún ti ṣẹ̀ ẹ wá gbọ́ tuntun mo tún mú un dé tẹ́ni ọmọ ológo Yorùbá dá dúró olófòfó àgbáyé olófòfó ilẹ̀ Yorùbá mo tún mú tuntun wá ẹ má bú mi ò torí ìsìnlẹ̀ ẹ̀ka mi lè bú mo mú ròyìn wá fún yín ni ẹ máa farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ máa gbọ́ ohun tó ń lọ sẹ́ẹ̀ láìkì bó ṣe ń lọ náà ẹ máa képe bọ́lẹ̀ ẹ máa bú mi instead of you to listening kẹ́ ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ ròyìn téèyàn ń wí fún yín mo fẹ́ kó farabalẹ̀ kó gbọ́ news yìí ìwọ náà jókòó kó gbọ́ ẹ má máa ṣe gbáragbára gbèrègbèrè mọ́ tí ròyìn bá ti ń jáde ẹ máa gbọ́ mo mú wá sétí gbọ́ yín ni kẹ́ ẹ máa mọ tó ń lọ nígboro kẹ́ lè máa mọ bó ṣe ń lọ èmi ò ṣiṣẹ́ fún politician ṣùgbọ́n èmi òmìnira lèmi dúró fún òmìnira ilẹ̀ Yorùbá lèmi wà fún mo sì mú wá fún yín kẹ́ ẹ máa mọ tó ń lọ eléyìí ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ní north báyìí o àwọn northern awareness initiating oppose APC re-election eléyìí ni pé ó ní no re-election for APC yéèpà wo bẹ́ẹ̀bẹ́ẹ̀ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí mo fẹ́ kó o gbọ́ wìrìwìrì ó tún ti ṣẹ̀ bá mi share rẹ̀ dákun n tó lè bí ẹ̀ share rẹ̀ kó like ẹ̀ kó dẹ̀ love fídíò yìí thank you jájọpọ̀ ó ṣe.
I will rise above what I have professed to be. I'm a leader. I'm part of the leadership of this country. And since when this white bird appeared on my chin, I have decided I will never lie or I will never go and defend anything that is defenseless. If that statistics have come from a government agency like a NIBS, I will have to accept and believe in that. And I have to admit, yes, there's a failure in the implementation of the programs of President Muhammadu Buhari. But one thing here should be understood. President Muhammadu Buhari made appointments and assigned people portfolios and responsibilities to discharge, to go and do this. And I, as a member of the Nigerian Parliament, I have said it many times here, that certain amounts of money have been budgeted as presented to us by President Muhammadu Buhari, and we approved it, and that monies were not properly utilized. And I said here, you, the journalist, and Nigerians general should be asking questions to those people who have been saddled with the responsibility of utilizing that money for their benefit. But people kept quiet. Why? If anybody knows that money had been budgeted to uplift people from poverty, and that money were allocated and given to a particular individual, these people are known. They occupy offices. People should channel their attacks, their questions on them. Many of them are still in their offices. They are Nigerians. They should be accountable. They should account for every kobo, every naira that they have collected on behalf of Nigerians, and they misuse it or divert it for other personal use. And we have various institutions of investigations, such as the ICPs and the EFCC. What are they doing? Somebody told me that some of the ministers are the most property owners in Abuja and Lagos today. And these people are among those that have been invested with the powers and to go and uplift people from poverty. I will not defend that kind of thing. I will never, even if I'm the one found that I've taken anything that is allocated to the public for use. If anybody know anything, he should go and petition me. I'm ready to go and answer. I don't like corruption. I don't want to be corrupt. I only preach to my children, don't be corrupt. In fact, I'm telling most of them to go and be entrepreneurs so that they will not be encouraged by what is happening in the public service. Because that's the root of corruption in this country. With this, I would want to say the APC as a party, let me finish, the APC as a party, President Muhammadu Buhari as a government should not be held only responsible for this. Those specific individuals should be targeted. They are known. You have the power to call their names, you know. You have been calling names of people who have said this is the XY that have done this and that, including, especially, let me finish, including one of your promoters, the CBN governor. I said it here before. At the time I was talking, you cut me up. I was trying to make an explanation of how the CBN governor misled this country into the water we are facing in terms of suffering of this country. He is in charge of monetary and fiscal policy of this country, but he misled President Muhammadu Buhari. So we bear some of a program that you call AMCO borrow, this, and that. A lot of trillions have been given out, and this money, there was no commensurate result to what is dashed out, but he always come up with one policy or another, to the extent of coming to contest for presidency of this country, to offer what?